Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership and gathering credentials, the MDM Administrator Apple ID or the organization's management account. Once done, make a full encrypted backup to iCloud or to your computer. This preserves apps and settings. Next, connect the iPad to a trusted Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes installed. Make sure the device stays on and charging. Interruptions will complicate removal. These steps let you proceed safely and avoid data loss while preparing for the actual profile removal. Now you locate the management profile under Settings, General, then VPN and Device Management, and select the profile to remove. When prompted, sign in with the MDM Administrator Apple ID or the organization account. This authenticates the removal. Enter the device passcode as required, then tap Remove Management and confirm. The iPad will process the request, revoke managed restrictions, and usually restart. Make sure to stay connected to the internet so the device can contact Apple and the MDM server to finalize the disassociation. Once the profile is removed, inspect settings to confirm no management entries exist, then test App Store, Mail, and Wi-Fi to ensure normal behavior. If removal fails, sign out of the Apple ID, reconnect to your computer, and reinstall iOS via recovery mode to clear residual profiles. This often resolves stuck removals. If the device is still supervised or shows activation lock/DEP, make sure to contact the original administrator or organization. Those server-side controls must be released by the manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.